Hey, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio back in the studio today. And today, wanted to share with you something new that you might notice there in the background. The KRK Rp6s, the old Generation 1 Rp6s that I've had back there are gone. And now I have Tannoy Gold 7 powered monitors back there. There are a lot of videos on YouTube already showing these monitors, these Tannoy Gold 7s, but I don't think any of them show an unboxing, so I'm going to go back and show the unboxing when I took one of these monitors out of the box new. And then I'm going to mix a song using these monitors and compare it to the mix that I did on the KRKs. And of course the NS10s are always there too as an additional reference. And this is the box with the Tannoy Gold 7. That's the back of the box. I had meant to start with the front of the box here, but that's the back of it. Premium 300 watt bi-amplified near field studio reference monitor with proprietary 6.5 inch dual concentric point source technology. So it's a 6.5 inch, but they called it the Gold 7. Very nice. We'll see. The top of the box says the same thing. And there's the front of the box. Says the same thing, but it has the cool retro style logo down here. That's pretty awesome. And a QR code if you want to learn. It says learn. You can learn. I don't do tons of unboxing videos, so we've got the manual right here. The cable that links them, and I've already looked this up. This is to link the 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you're plugging an iPod into these, this will send that iPod signal to the other monitor, apparently. And a nice heavy duty, very thick power cord. Wow, this sucker's pretty impressive here. Well, they don't skimp on the power cable. This is a crazy thick power cord. Nice. Styrofoam. And plastic so I can lift it up out of here. It's in the back. I wanted to do it this way. Let's do that again. Do over. Let's lift this out of here where you can see the front. The speaker this time. Oh, there we go. Kick that out of the way. There we go. All right, let's see. Stuck there. I want my silica gel, so I've got some silica gel. Do not eat. Throw away. So we gotta throw that away. And there we go. There's the Tannoy Gold 7. Really nice quality. It's got a rubber skid pad thing here on the bottom of it. And I like the fact the adjustments here, the high frequency, which is a stepped control, and they're both on the front, which is pretty convenient. Let's turn it around and take a look at the back. Got XLR and 1/4 inch TRS inputs, and these have an auto standby on and off switch here for the auto standby. power connection switch. This is the bass EQ level. And the speaker position, whether it's on the left or the right. I guess that may be for this aux section, which I'm probably not going to use. I'm going to connect my studio, my console outputs to these. I'm not sure about these. I guess I'll start with these on 0. See what we get. Really nice quality though. These are very nice. We'll have to see how this sounds. But yeah, the Tannoy Gold 7 Tulip Waveguide dual concentric transducer. So the song I'm going to use is a song called Tiny Little Reasons from the forthcoming Homespun Centaurs album on these Tannoy Gold 7s, and play you the mix that I did with the KRK Rp6s, and then of course the new mix that I'm going to do here in the video with the Tannoy Gold 7s. I have Tiny Little Reasons up on the DAW and here on the console. Now this video is not about exactly what all I'm doing in the mix. I've done a lot of mixing videos, but if you like this song that I'm using to demonstrate whether I can judge better on these Tannoy Gold 7 monitors than on my old KRK monitors, I will tell you a few things. I'm doing my parallel compression trick on the toms, which are gated over here using the subgroups here on the console. We've got drums, bass guitar, acoustic guitar, guitars, tambourine, shaker, things like that, vocals down here. So it's a really similar setup to a lot of my mixing videos. So if you'd like to see more about the specific details of mixing, then check out some of my other videos here on the channel. For right now, I'm just going to mix this song, Tiny Little Reasons, through the console. I'm using really similar outboard gear to the original mix, including the Urei LA-10 compressor on bass guitar, Symmetrix 501 on the snare drum, DBX 163X on the kick drum. I'm using an ART TCS twin compressor system on 2 of the vocal tracks, and then on the 3rd vocal track I'm using a Symmetrix CL100 compressor. So that's a few of the highlights, but again, this is mainly about what can I accomplish with this mix with these new monitors versus the same song that I mixed with roughly the same outboard gear, the same console, same setup. I'm going to mix it with these monitors instead of my old KRKs and see if I can make better judgments on the mix with these.
Everywhere I go, if it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, and it's taking its toll. Oh, I could let you know, if it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons. And I look to the sky, it slowly passes us by, things unseen and unheard, memories just like birds. If I could put into words these unspoken things, taking it slow now, everywhere I go. If it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, and it's taking control. Oh, I could tell you so. If it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, and I look to the sky, it's slowly passing us by, just thinking out loud, memories like a cloud, and it's pulling me down. All your reasons, strings, and past wild things, baby.
So now let's hear the mix that I did of the same song with my KRK Rp6s.
Taking it slow everywhere I go. If it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, and it's taking its toll. Oh, I could let you know. If it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, and I look to the sky, it slowly passes us by. Things unseen and unheard, memories just like her. If I could put into words these unspoken things, taking it slow now everywhere I go. If it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, and it's taking control. Oh, I could tell you so. If it wasn't for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tiny little reasons, I look to the sky, passing us by, just thinking out loud, memories like a cloud, and it's pulling me down. All your reasons, strings, and past wild things, baby.
I'm not really sure what the difference is there. I feel like these translate better than the KRKs did, and I'm not sure which actually produced the better sounding mix, but you can let me know what you think. Which of the two mixes that I did on these two different sets of monitors sound the best to you? Well, that was extremely interesting. Now, I can say that these Tannoy Gold 7s translate better to my car than the KRKs did, but the KRK Rp6s, I've had those things for 17 years, and they've been very reliable, and I have done a lot of great mixes on those monitors, so I'm not saying anything bad about them, but these Tannoy Gold 7s do seem to translate to the car. So what do you guys think of the mix in the video? Am I able to mix better with the Gold 7s or with my old KRK Rp6s? Let me know in the comments below. I very much appreciate everyone watching and all the subscribers here on the channel. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel if you have not done so already. And I hope everyone out there has a wonderful day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond. Whatever it is you're having, have a good one. Thanks so much for watching.